Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset your T-Mobile router so you can fix connection issues or start fresh with default settings. Step 1. Locate the reset button. On the back or bottom of your T-Mobile router, find the small reset button. It's usually inside a pinhole. Step 2. Press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds. Wait until the router's lights blink or turn off and back on. This means the reset has started. Step 3. Wait for the router to reboot. After resetting, the router will restart automatically. All custom settings like Wi-Fi name and password will return to factory defaults. Important notes. Make sure the router is powered on before you reset. After the reset, you'll need to reconnect using the default Wi-Fi name and password printed on the router label. If you changed your login details, they will also reset back to the factory default. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more T-Mobile router tips and fixes.